Today we're going to be taking a look at this property listed in Delano, California for $365,000. It's a 4-bedroom, a 2-bathroom, and square feet is 1447. The year built is 1999. Starting off here in the front entrance, we make our way to the living room. Then to the side, we have the kitchen area. The kitchen has a black stove, an oven, and also has quartz countertops. Back here, it has a nice view of the neighborhood, perfect for your dining area. And here's another view of the kitchen. Now let's go and check out the rest of the property. You will also be happy to know that throughout the home, there's floors, not carpets. Here we're making our way through the hallway and we're gonna be making a turn to the first bathroom. To the side you can see the vanity, and let me turn around so you can get another angle of this bathroom. Now let's make our way back to the hallway so we can go and take a look at the first room. Here we're gonna be making a left turn. The rooms have a different color flooring as you can see in this first room. Let me give you the whole side view of this room. Let's head back to the hallway and see the rest. Making another turn here off to the side, we have the laundry space for washer and dryer. Then behind this door, we have the 2-car garage. Take a look at all that space. Down below in the comments, let me know what's your favorite thing about this property so far. Also, if you're interested in it, you can text me or call me so I can give you more information. This would be the second room, also similar like the first one that we took a look at. I also want to let you know that if you're a first-time home buyer, I have a loan officer that has many loan options, and you might be able to qualify for down payment assistance. Here we have the third room, and let me give you another side view. If you qualify, I also do work with VA loans and USDA loans, which those could help you out in putting zero down towards down payment. And here we have the primary room. Off to the side, it also has a closet that has storage displays where you can store and display your personal collection. Then to the side, we have the primary bathroom. Let's take a look at it and let me give you another side angle of this bathroom here. Now let's go to the back and take a look at the backyard. Down below in the comments, what did you think about the primary? Here in the backyard, you have a food prep station, perfect for when you're having barbecues and entertaining guests. The property also has a covered patio for those hot and sunny days. Additionally, it also has a gazebo where you can have family night or enjoy your time with guests. The property is surrounded by brick wall, and you have 2 side entrances at the sides. Then off to the corner and the side, you have a small storage space where you can use it as a storage room for your gardening tools or anything else that you might think of. We also have the other side entrance towards this side, which I'm gonna be turning around and showing. And here's another full view of the backyard of the property.